Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Anahita and if you guys are new here then please hit the subscribe button yaar. देर किस बात की. Also we are 200k plus fam. All of you new people who are here, I just want to tell you that thank you so much for your love and support, and the old ones already have my heart. And so guys, today is another Meesho haul. This one's a little special because I'm gonna show you all my favorites that I got from Meesho recently. So if you don't know what Meesho is India's favorite app to buy top quality products at the lowest prices ever. So it is trusted by 1 crore plus users, as I told you before, and they have more than 50 lakh products. 50 lakh products के अंदर सिर्फ women का नहीं है. They have men, kids wear, kitchen, home, and also jewelries and bags, accessories, सारा combination, everything you'll find in Meesho. You know, it's like all in one. So guys, wait किस बात की? Come on Meesho app and get all the products at the सही दाम. क्योंकि इंडिया के हर मार्केट का सामान आपको सही दाम पर मिलेगा सिर्फ Meesho पर. इसीलिए guys, we can say that Meesho ने सही लगाया है. So guys, in this video I am gonna show you 4 of my favorites. 2 of them are kurta sets and 2 are kurtis, one of which I am wearing, and this is just amazing. I'm gonna show you in few seconds, and all of them are amazing because of their price. Also they are very affordable and quality is also amazing. ऐसा नहीं है कि price कम है तो quality अच्छी नहीं है या कुछ और problem है product में. It's perfect, and that you can see if you order on Meesho. Also guys, on your first order in Meesho, you will get ₹100 off, or you can get a discount of 30%. And Meesho में throughout you will get free delivery, like her order में no delivery charge, and you also have easy returns and cash on delivery. So Meesho is very flexible in all these things. Now let's start without wasting any more time, and I'll show you this anarkali suit which I'm wearing. And here you will see all the products. I'm gonna try them on, and then you can see the fit and how they look, and I'll also tell you the size which I'm wearing, so you can see like which size will fit you and all. So guys, let's go into the video. So the first suit or kurti that I have is this. As you can see, I'm wearing it. This is a one-piece anarkali and the material is cotton. These are the sleeves and full length है. मेरे को full आ रही है, full ankle तक आ रही है. It's not too long or too short, so it is perfect. This size is small, and all the sizes are mentioned as you open the code that I've given in the description. And I really love it. It's like super anarkali and very comfortable as well. So यहाँ पे there are buttons which are not actually buttons. This is just for show. And then also they have a sequence work here going on the flowers, and I also love the print. It is really you can say summery, and I also like the color blue. So it is a full combination. And also guys, there are a lot of color options in this as well. You can check out in the Meesho app. Now let's go into the price. The price is here. It is only 540 rupees, which is very low. I think pretty much it's a very good product, and if you want to buy it, then you know what to do. Check out the link in the description, and then you can go and buy the product. Okay guys, now let's see the next product that I have for you all. It is okay, no spoilers, I'll just get right into it. Let's go. So I have the next product is this. this amazing kurti. It's a lavender color kurti. It is a short kurti. As you can see, I'm wearing it over here. And I've paired it up with white plazos. And you can pair it up with anything, like anything, jeans or black leggings or anything. So this is the piece. This is the front and this is the back. And these are the sleeves, which are 3/4 over here. This is one of my favorites and it is net. It is completely transparent, so you'll have to wear a white top under it. So I really like the color. First of all, lavender is one of my favorite colors. That's why I bought this. And I think it looks pretty good. It is not a complete Indian look. It also gives a Western kind of look. So you can even wear it with shorts. That will be completely Western, and you can dress it as a dress. It will look like a dress if you pair it up with shorts and a white crop top under it. I think वो भी अच्छा लगेगा. So now the price time. The price for this is 587 rupees only. Again, close to 600, but I think it's a good price. So now let me know in the comments which is your favorite kurti out of all the 4 that I'm gonna show you. And without wasting any more time, let's go to the third kurta set. It is a kurta set. Yeah, I've given a spoiler, but let's go into it. So now next is this. This is a kurta set that I'm wearing. So it is 2-piece. This is the lower. It is like pants only. The style is like a pant and it looks really good, as you can see over here. And the color is also very nice. The material is cotton. Now I'll show you the kurti. This is the kurti. It is again a small size for me. Then these are the sleeves. So this is the kurti. It is a straight kurti and I really like it because definitely of the color and the print. As you can see closely, it is really nice and I think I look quite good in this as well. Now it's time for the price, which I will not wait because it is mind-blowing. The price is 509 only. So you get a kurti and a pant in the price which is less than that of a kurta. So I think it's an amazing deal and the quality is also super good. It's super soft. So I don't think you should wait or think before buying this. Or definitely you should, but I think it's a really good purchase again. And ये मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा डलने वाला है. First of all, because of its quality, it's super soft. And then also it's very simple outfit and ज़्यादा कुछ वो भी नहीं है कि बहुत loud हो. It's just simple and it's like my type. Also the color. So in all, I really love this outfit. And also Sara Ali Khan ने पहना है, so that's also one reason that I ordered it. Now let's go and see the last and final outfit. Now guys, for my last outfit I have this. This is a full suit with chunni, like the dupatta, then you have a kurti and also the lower, which is a plazo. So let's start with the lower. So this is a white plazo. The material is super soft and amazing. It is really soft, like pure cotton it is. अब price दिखाऊंगी तो आप shock हो जाओगे. So this is it. It's a plain white plazo and it has an elastic over here. Now the kurta is a yellow color kurta. It is a super bright yellow and it is plain. So it is plain. पीछे भी कुछ नहीं है and आगे भी कुछ नहीं है. It is anarkali. It is anarkali नीचे. As you can see, I'm wearing it. And then the best part, the chunni, the dupatta. It is super cute, yellow in color with yellow flowers on it. And again, it's cotton and it's super soft. Nice a summer outfit again. So this is it. And guys, all three of them ka price, please guess in the comments, and if you are right, just let me know. So the price is this, 528. Like kurti ke price mein you will get three of the things, a full suit. So I think which is amazing, and quality though I can just brag about it because it's really nice. It's super soft, and if you guys are interested to buy it, then you know the links are in the description, and on your first order you will get ₹100 off and a discount of 30%. So guys, देर किस बात की यार, order from Meesho and let me know if you have ordered from Meesho in the comments below. So shout out, I'll give you in few minutes. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I love you all. So today's shout out goes to Pari. Thank you so much for your lovely comment. If you want to shout out in my next video, all you have to do is comment. All you have to do is comment down and just write something nice or whatever you want, and I'll just randomly pick, and hopefully you'll get a shout out in my next video. So guys, please download the Meesho app if you haven't up till now. All the links are in the description. Use the links in the description and download Meesho app, and on your first order you will get ₹100 off or a discount of flat 30%. And also guys, सारे के सारे orders पे it is free delivery and no delivery cost. Also cash on delivery and easy returns. So guys, देर किस बात की, जल्दी से जाओ और Meesho ऐप को बहुत सारा प्यार दो. So now it is the end of the video, and I will see you in my next video. So stay safe, stay healthy. Bye guys.